Hi, I'm Cliff, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to write a paper using PERRLA. Let's create an APA 7th edition research paper. We'll enter the information for the title page and click Create. PERRLA creates our new paper with a perfect title page, margins, font, and we're ready to start typing the body of our paper. We've got a quote in our paper we need to cite. Let's create a reference for it using PERRLA's References and Citations panel. PERRLA can create every possible reference type. For the three most common reference types, books, journals, and websites, we can search for the reference's bibliographic information using its DOI, ISBN, URL, or author and title. PERRLA finds the reference's information and automatically enters it into the reference wizard for you. It even gives you a live preview of your reference before it's added to the paper. PERRLA created our reference section automatically. Nice. Okay, back to our citation. We'll place the cursor in our paper where we want the citation to appear. We'll click Add Citation under our reference, and then add the citation's location. Let's say page 37. Now, click the Create Citation button, and PERRLA inserts the citation into our paper. Beautiful. We could stop here, but you should know that PERRLA does even more than references and citations. PERRLA also includes tools for adding tables of content, abstracts, figures, tables, and text headings. While we've been using PERRLA with Microsoft Word, every PERRLA subscription also includes PERRLA Online, our web-based application that lets you write papers using only a web browser. Okay, hopefully you've seen that PERRLA takes the hassle out of formatting and writing papers. Save time, get a better grade, and take the stress out of writing papers by starting your PERRLA subscription today.